Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Taskfire, to-do list and tasks, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Taskfire is a simple productivity app designed to help users manage daily tasks, reminders, and personal to-do lists more efficiently. It focuses on quick task entry, clean organization, and easy reminder setup. You can create task lists, set due dates, categorize items, and track progress throughout the day. The app is available on major mobile platforms and is built for users who prefer a straightforward task manager without unnecessary complexity. The app's main features include fast task creation, customizable lists, reminder notifications, and a lightweight interface that keeps your daily tasks easy to manage. Taskfire supports recurring reminders, day planning, and basic priority options, helping users stay on track with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, ease of use, and helpful reminder system. The app works well for simple routines like groceries, appointments, homework, errands, and personal planning. It's designed for speed and simplicity, making it a good option for users who want fast task management without a learning curve. However, there are some drawbacks. Taskfire offers fewer advanced features compared to heavy-duty task apps. It may lack deep integrations, collaboration tools, calendar syncing, and advanced automation, features some users expect in modern productivity apps. Its simplicity can also feel limiting for those who manage complex projects or business workflows. In summary, the Taskfire app may be worth using if you want a clean, quick, and lightweight to-do list app for everyday personal tasks and reminders. However, if you need advanced productivity features, team collaboration, or detailed project planning, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.